Today we are going to learn how to attempt the cues. So first we will go to the website. So I am going for, we'll go on LMS. It's very easy. There is no camera, there is nothing. You can easily attempt your cues. So no need to worry about. So here is LMS. We will go there. And simply we choose the subject, right? So we'll choose a subject. I'm just showing how it will start and how it will go. I will show everything that you will be not the see. Here is you can see everything is mentioned how to give the uh, cues attempt, right? Here is showing the same thing you have to do here as a demo. I am showing as a demo, so no need to worry about this. Here is the cues as you can see, and I will go the first one and see the same thing is showing here, right? Like in the real in the our real portal is showing the same time limit. There is 30 minutes, but here is only 10 minutes because this is demo. This is like we are going to give the cues for our unit subjects. So this is the first unit. I am just giving the example how you will do the cues, right? So here is attend. Okay, so I will start, and here is showing, see, the same thing will happen when you will open your portal, when you will open the queues. Okay, so see, here is showing the queues: one question, two question, three question, 4, 5, 6. You can switch direct, so there is no problem. But when you are going to give the queues, you have to check uh, the internet connection. If the internet connection will be poor or anything, then you can't enter again, so you have to check. Okay, so I will give the some answers that will be I will give the full example, then you will understand easily. See, 9 minutes is remaining here and second is also running. So like I am going to give the first answer: which of the following describe the principle of the harmony not discord? So I have already ticked the all answer here, and I will go the next page, and I can see the answer all I have put it. See, all are green right now here, and the time limit is showing 7 minutes. So in the main queues it will show 30 minutes. 30 minutes will be there and 50 question will be there. So we can give the easily answer, right? You can also search in Google, and also we can also ask with my our friends who is near us, and there will be no camera will open. We can go easily and we can tick the answer. So here is showing finish the attempt. So finish attempt and all answer has been saved, and here is showing answer saved. When we will give the answer, the same thing will be happen as here is happening. Here is showing answer is saved, answer is saved, answer is saved. Okay, and here is showing submit all and finish. When we will give the cues answer, after saving it, we need to submit the all finish. If we will not submit the all finish, then it will be not save. Okay, so we will finish, submit all and finish. Okay, submit all and finish. Here is showing confirmation. Once you submit, you will no longer be able to change your answer for this attempt. अगर यहाँ पे कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है, then we can change easily. But after that, if we will submit all and finish, then we cannot change anything. It will be submit in the LMS and we cannot change the answer. So now I'm going to submit and we will see the answer. So here you can see the grade, how much you got. I got before I did, so I got 8, and right now I got 1 because I was giving demo. So that's all. I hope you got the all information. Thank you so much for the watching. I hope you got the all answer. So take care. Goodbye.